TOEFL IBT speaking and writing sections using templates versus using structure. Which one will give you that respectable passing score on your TOEFL IBT? Hello, my name is Mr. Hearn, and I am your TOEFL tutor. If you haven't subscribed already, take a moment to do so now. All right, which is better, templates or using structures? There are many sites and a lot of tutors that are giving templates and selling templates. And honestly, if I want to get rich, I could sell some templates. But do they really work? That's the challenge. You see, what I've found from my students who've come to me over the years is that they've tried using templates. And the difficulty is that they have to memorize certain sentences for the templates, for one thing. So you memorize these templates, and then you have to sort of plug in the information from the passages. And it doesn't always work. It's difficult to put the information that ETS gives you in the questions into the template so that it fits. Now, there's another problem. ETS tells you in the instructions, do not use memorized responses. Using memorized responses could result in lower scores. So there's two reasons right there to not use templates. You see, when you're responding in the speaking, you have to be able to think fast and give the information in the way that the graders are listening for. And if you're stumbling over trying to fit information into a template that the information doesn't really fit, you're going to have issues. Now, I understand why you want to use a template, because maybe you don't know what to say. But the fact is, ETS has very specific structures and rules for how they want you to respond. Did you hear what I said? They have structures and rules for how they want you to respond. When you know how to structure your response, every question that they give you, that information is designed to fit into that structure, not a template. Templates are memorized phrases that you're going to fit information into. Structures are where you're going to speak to your purpose for each sentence. For example, in question number 1, and it's everyone's favorite question, right? A confusing question, 15 seconds to prepare, and then you have to make some kind of miraculous response. Everyone wants a template for that one, but templates don't work. The test is designed so that templates don't work. When you're responding with a structure of 5 sentences. They're asking you one of 2 styles of question. They ask you, they say something like, some people agree with this choice and others agree with this choice. Which choice do you agree with? Use reasons, examples, and details to support your response. Okay, what you have to do is, the first sentence is going to address the prompt, the question. You have to state what you agree with. Now, if the question is asking whether you agree or disagree with a certain sentence, you're still going to state, your first sentence is to state whether you agree or disagree. That's the structure. Do I agree or disagree with this? Or which choice do I agree with? Period. Then take a breath and say the reason you agree. So you're stating what your choice is, right? And then you're going to state your reason for holding that choice. And then you're going to support that reason with an example and details. Then you have to state your second reason and follow up that second reason with related examples and details. And that's it. Those 5 things are what's required for you to answer that question, regardless of what the topic of the question is. It's always going to be speaking to your purpose for those 5 sentences. Now, if you want to know how to answer all of the questions quickly and accurately in the way that the graders are listening for, without using templates, but using the structures that they're listening for and the rules that they require you to follow, I have videos for each question type that has step-by-step procedures for answering each question. You can find them on my online video course at https://www.pgrla.org and For those of you who think that it should all be free, hey, this is how I make my living. Are you working for free? Invest in yourself. Come to my video course and learn how to pass your TOEFL IBT with a score of 112 plus. I'll see you there.